To transfer files between USB drive and phone storage on Redmi A5, all you simply need is the USB drive, which does have the Type-C connector right here, so you can easily plug it into your phone. In case your USB drive doesn't have Type-C but has this Type-A connector instead, you will need to use this adapter from the Type-A connector to Type-C, as you can see. So you'll be able to use this any USB drive actually with your phone. But since my drive does have this Type-C connector, simply all you need to do right now is just connect it to our phone. And as we connect the USB drive into phone, we need to wait until this notification right here will pop up that there is this USB drive connected. So let's tap on this notification, open this one with files, and here we have the files from our USB drive. And from here, as we go into these three stripes on the left corner, we can see the USB drive and the phone storage. So I would like to move a picture from this phone storage to this USB drive. So let's go for the Redmi A5. Let's find the picture that I want to move, and it is just right here. And simply tap and hold to select it. You can select as many files that you want, but only from one directory. So if you want to move a couple of different files from, like for example this file, and from different directory, I don't know, maybe some download files, you will have to do it one by one, because you cannot do it at once. So let's simply move this picture right now, press and hold, it is selected. Tap these three dots on the top right corner and press move to. And now we have to select the location we want to move our file to. So we will go for our USB drive and let's leave it right here. Let's press move, and now as you can see, this picture has disappeared from this directory. And let's move into our USB drive, and this picture is available right here. And it is the same actually for moving these files from a USB drive into your device. There is no difference. Press and hold, select as many files or directories as you like, and from here press three dots on the top right corner, press move to, and from here you'll have to select a directory, the location where you want to move these files. So let's actually move this file back to the camera right here, and as you can see, it just disappeared from the USB drive and it appeared back in this camera right here. So this is how you can do this.